everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare kelewele, aka spicy fried plantain. Basically, I got this recipe from my brother from another mother, Edem. Chale, you do a thumbs up, okay? Thank you for this recipe. Kelewele is one of the street food at the top of my list when I visit Ghana, and it is one of the popular Ghanaian dish made with ripe plantain seasoned with spices. At this point, I'm going to cut my ripe plantain. I've washed it before peeling the skin off. I'm going to cut it into my preferred shape and size. You can slice it, you can cut it into cubes, you can cut it into chunks. It basically depends on how you want it, but I cut mine this way. Okay? If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, oxygen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen. Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Now it's time to blend all the spices. So I have ginger, bay leaf, aniseed, rosemary, cloves, grains of salin, and garlic. So the grains of salin is wintia, okay? For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen. Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got. Add black pepper, white pepper, nutmeg, parsley, and about 15 to 20 drops of liquid seasoning, Maggi liquid seasoning, to make it easy to blend. So I didn't add any water to it, okay? And I'm going to blend it like that. That is the recipe I got from Eden. And trust me, guys, the end product, hey, just like the kelewele in Ghana. Try this and thank me later. I've finished blending and I am going to add powdered pepper. And then we add in our paste, our mixed spicy paste. Adding powdered pepper will give the plantain a bit of heat. And that is what kelewele is all about. Spicy and sweet. Mix it all together, making sure that you coat every plantain. Cover it and leave it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, oxygen. We make everything. Now it's time to fry our plantain. So make sure your oil is hot enough to fry it. and just drop in your plantain. Most people have their unique Kelewele recipe, but this recipe is second to none, in my humble opinion. So guys, make sure you try this recipe out, okay? For best result, do not overfill the pan with plantain. Stir regularly to avoid burning. Welcome. If you feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, sexy chick. We make everything African, yeah. For your food and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle lady. This recipe is easy, simple, and delicious. Kelewele is one of my favorite Ghanaian street food. If you feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, sexy chick. We make everything African, yeah. For your food and snacks. And voila! This is our Kelewele. Beautiful. This looks gorgeous. Kelewele is best served with peanut, but you can enjoy it on its own or serve it with rice and sauce. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I hope you like this video. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell. Until the next video, bye for now.